Hey you guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing this hair straightening brush. As you guys know, I like to silk press my hair every 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm always looking for tools that will help me minimize damage. And with this brush in particular, it uses far infrared heat, which means it works from the inside out. Which is a good thing because it helps you straighten your hair quicker and it helps you reduce heat exposure. The con about that is that in the inside of the hair, that's where the cortex is. So you don't want to permanently break the bonds inside the hair. You only want to temporarily break them. So that's why on the box it tells you don't leave the brush on the hair for longer than 5 seconds, and also use lower temperatures because that is what's going to help you reduce heat damage. What came in the box is some clips. It also came with a glove, and then it also came with the actual brush in a cute little case. And the bristles are made with ceramic, so that means it releases heat in a not so quick and hot manner like a titanium iron would. So ceramic is supposed to be the better option when straightening your hair. And you guys know I like to keep the temperatures low, so we are going to straighten on 410. I'm going to be starting off on blow dried hair. You can use a serum before you straighten. I just used the Chi Iron Guard because it was all I had. So this will be the first piece that I'm going to try to straighten. So right now it's set on 410, but it's not hot at all, really. So I'm going to try it on 410, but I got a feeling I'm going to have to go up to 430. I might just keep it on 410, and I'm not expecting my hair to get like super straight, but we'll see. I'm going to take it and just go through this section. And this is how it looks. It's a little frizz still in there, so I'm gonna go through it one more time. Okay, so I'm not gonna go over my hair again, but you guys can kind of see like how it looks. It's not as bone straight obviously as a flat iron would get, but it is pretty straight. I'm curious to see how this whole section will look after I do it, but it's just a tad bit of frizz on this section, but it's not too bad. So this is how this section is looking. It is still really poofy at the ends. It gets this area pretty straight, like my root area is still pretty straight, but this area down here is still poofy. So I'm gonna go through again. And yeah, I would say there's no point in kind of doing multiple passes because it's not really going to get it straighter, especially at this bottom area right here. So this is not something like I wear out, but I am going to try to bantu knot this area just to give myself some waves. I seen another girl on YouTube use this brush and she did some bantu knots. So I'm going to bantu knot my hair because I know I'm not going to just wear my hair with like straight roots and then frizzy ends. So I'm going to bantu knot it. Another great thing about this brush is that it releases negative ions, and that is something you really want in a hot tool, even your blow dryer, because what it does is that it controls frizz, it locks in moisture, and it makes the hair appear shinier. Now this brush claims that it releases the maximum amount because different tools release different amounts of ions. So this tool is claiming that it releases the maximum amount of negative ions. Some of my cons about the brush is, as you guys can see, my hair is still somewhat frizzy, and that's because I'm not able to have a lot of tension when it comes to like the bottom area of my hair. With a flat iron, you can have that tension and you can use a comb to chase it. With this brush, you can't really do that. And I feel like it's not giving me even heat distribution. So, because there's so many ridges and gaps with the bristles that are on the brush. So it's not giving me the even distribution like the plates on a regular flat iron would. And that's something you need for every strand of hair to be straight, because as you guys can see, some are straight, some are a little bit frizzy. So I would say that overall for this brush, I would not recommend it unless you are like about to go get braids and your stylist requires you to blow dry your hair and you know that you suck at blow drying and you need to get your hair a little straighter. So this brush will be perfect for that. Or if you are like wearing a wig and you need your hair to be, a little flatter and you want to just run an iron through it without, using a regular flat iron, I feel like it'll be great for that as well. Or for this hairstyle in particular, I feel like I would use the brush again just to create this hairstyle and to use less heat. Other than those, I would say if you are trying to get your hair straight like a flat iron or a silk press, no, this would not be the right tool for that. So I'm so glad I watched the other girl's video about the Bantu knots because it pretty much saved this style for me because I don't want to wear my hair in a ponytail for the next 2 weeks. I want to wear it like this, which I feel like is really cute. She actually has a coupon code that you can use. I actually used it when I purchased the brush, and I think I got about almost $20 off. So I'll put her coupon code in my description box if I can. So if you are interested in purchasing this brush, then you can use her coupon code, get some money off. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I wore my hair for a couple of days. What I did at night was I just took my hair down the middle, like I parted my hair down the middle, and then I wore 2 Bantu knots at night, and I would unravel it in the morning and wear it like this. So came out pretty cute. I really want to know how you guys think my hair turned out. I think it turned out pretty cute, but let me know down in the comment section your opinion on how you think this turned out and your opinions on the brush. And I proclaim myself as your virtual hairstylist. So if you have any hair questions, leave them down below and I will answer them. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.